Hi and welcome to the PMI Risk Management Professional Exam Preparation course, 30 contact hours for PMI. This course was initially recorded in 2019 and it was uploaded to the online market, and since then it helped thousands of students pass their RMP exam from their first trial. Today I'm refreshing the content of this course videos and exam simulators in July 2024. My name is Shadi and I have over 15 years of experience in project, program and portfolio management in various industries. I started with the PMI in 2016, obtaining the PMP, and I obtained all the project management certifications, ended up with a program management professional in 2022. And this course was designed with my team and created with the following objectives. First of all, you will get your 30 contact hours certificate that's required and mandatory to qualify for the RMP exam, and the certificate you will obtain by the end of this course will be accepted by the Project Management Institute. You will understand the risk management processes and the reassessment life cycle. You will have an in-depth understanding of risk management in both waterfall and agile models. You will master the advanced risk management tools and techniques, and you will learn the risk management best practices that can be applied in your career. Target audience for this course are project managers, project management team members, program managers, portfolio managers, risk managers, product specialists, software developers, PMO and Center of Excellence team members, project coordinators and facilitators. The promise I am making for you right now that this is the most comprehensive PMI risk management professional exam preparation workshop that's available in the online market, and our course comes with 100% money back guarantee. So the first part of this course, sections 2, 3 and 4, will be introduction to the project management basics and foundations, risk management basics and agile project management foundations. Sections from 5 to 13 will cover the PMBOK 6th and 7th editions. The risk, stakeholder and communication management knowledge areas are covered as per the PMBOK Guide 6th edition, and the uncertainty performance domain related to risk from the project management body of knowledge 7th edition. Sections 14, 15 and 16 will cover the standard for risk management in portfolios, programs and projects, and this standard is very important for the PMI-RMP exam. By the end or the last part of this course will be around the exam success recipe and supporting content covering advanced risk management tools, key formulas you need to understand, and the PMI-RMP exam frequently asked questions. These questions keeps appearing in the real RMP exam. By the end of this course, you will have access to 5 exam simulators with the overall 575 questions pool that are really close to the real PMI-RMP exam based on all my students' feedback. The promise I'm making for you right now that I will be in your back since the moment you enroll in this course till the moment you send me a message, hello, I passed my exam. I'm reachable through WhatsApp, through Facebook groups or through email. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to see you at the first lecture.